Hi. So I talk to Robby all the time. He's like, my sister's running. I was like, you taught him everything about running or what?
Let's see. He definitely was running after me when we were little. And I definitely had him for a little bit. And then now he's doing a little bit better.
So have you run the nationals before?
No, this is my second time, yeah. I did in 2017.
What'd you run there?
The 1,000.
And the 600 today? Why'd you switch?
I didn't qualify in the 1,000. I'm in graduate school right now, and it's been pretty intense, so we missed it in the 1,000, but I'm done in May.
You're getting a nursing doctorate or something?
Yeah, I'm getting my doctorate in nurse anesthesia, so I'm done in a couple months.
So you have to like work, go to school, and run. Robby just runs. He's soft, right?
Hey, that's what he keeps telling me. Robby is, when I tell you my #1 supporter, and I'm his #1 supporter, there's nothing more.
So he's not soft?
He's not.
Okay.
And Robby, he makes it work, but he's the best. Literally. I'm really doing this because it's always just been the two of us, and we're just gonna keep doing it. I'm just running after him now. It's the first.
Yeah. What's your best event?
I did 205 in the 8, and I did 442 in the mile. So I think the mile. Like Robby.
205 is pretty good. Yeah. He was pretty good the 8 too. So.
Yeah. So it's been hard, but when I tell you, like every week, it's like 2 full-time things. And every week I probably call Robby crying. Like, this is too much. I get up at like 4:30 every day.
So do you group you train with?
Right now it's Robby, Larry Ramirez, my boyfriend Drew, Xavier Fraction.
What track do you get? Where do you guys work out?
Manalapan High School.
What is it?
Manalapan High School.
Where's that? New Jersey?
That's where we grew up, yeah.
It's cool.
So yeah, thanks for
What's next?
talking to me.
No, I thought it was cool. I didn't know you ran nationals last year, but this is kind of your dad's from Staten Island, so this is a good one for you.
Yeah, it's like I'm trying to do 2 things at once right now, and it's really hard. But when I'm done with school, I'll have a couple months off, and I'm gonna try to make it to trials and see how far I can really go. But I'm just training. We'll see.
Yeah, that'll be good. Good luck.
Me and Robby.
All right. Thanks.
Thank you for talking to me.
Yeah.